Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to just get on with this look. Lately my skin has been very dry because of the acne treatment I started using. So I'm going to go in with my L.A Girl primer. This is just a smoothing face primer, so it's not really going to do any mattifying. I just need my face to be smooth for the foundation application. Before I started, I put coconut oil on my face because my face is way too dry. Even my nose is like peeling off. So next I'm going in with this, my Skindanavia primer spray, just for some hydration. I'm going to prime my brow area with my Becca primer. Just my brow area, because my brow area still gets oily regardless of the fact that my skin itself is dry now. I'm going to color correct with L.A Girl Pro Concealer, the orange corrector. Some people not believe say, me I go feel love you like this. Me I not believe say. Forehead. I still have some acne scars on my forehead. I really wish this treatment wasn't drying out my skin, but you should expect that when you're using salicylic, whatever, the acne acid, benzoyl peroxide, benzoyl, I don't know. So I'm going to blend out the color corrector. Under my eyes are so dry, making me regret getting the acne treatment. But it cured my acne, so I don't know why I should be mad. Like, I'm not mad at it. But I just wish it didn't dry out my skin. I just wish it didn't do that. So I'm going in with this L.A Girl foundation in the shade Cappuccino. And I'm going to be mixing it with my OA illuminating drops in the shade Candlelight. So I think 2.5 pumps for now. And then the illuminating drops. I think, yeah, just a little will be fine. Let's go. I'm using my BH Cosmetics brush as usual. Say you love me, I go hold you down. If you say you want me, say you love me, baby, say you. I'm going to highlight with these two concealers, my L.A Girl and my Revolution in C12 and L.A Girl in Fawn. Taking my Bethmean sponge to blend that. Love me, baby, say you love me. I go hold you down if you say you want me. Bless your mommy, but call me daddy. Come spend this money if you say you want me. Some people not believe say. Coverage on that concealer. The coverage is to die for. Oh my goodness. I'm going to take my foundation brush just to blend it in more. Just blend around the edges of the concealer.
Taking my RCMA no color powder, and I'm using that to set my highlighted areas. But first I'm going to blend again. I'm going to blend out any creases.
I just wanna show you love. I just wanna love you more. I just wanna show you love. I just wanna love.
So now I'm taking my Maybelline powder and Cacao.
Me I no believe say, oh no no no. Me I go fall for you so hard. Oh hard. Me a baby me I go hold you down.
To contour my nose, I'm taking the L.A Girl Pro Face Powder in Toffee.
Please would you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby.
This is my Zikel palette, this shade, and I'm setting all over my face.
Say you love me, baby, say you love me.
I'm going to apply this random blush.
Let's go, let's go.
I'm taking this powder, this Maybelline powder in cinnamon. I'm going to use that to reverse contour. I'm going to set my face with my Decay All Nighter Makeup Spray.
I'm gonna hold you down.
I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so my brows are done. They are not the best today, but we'll take it like that. I beg you. My brows are annoying me today. So I'm taking my L.A Girl concealer to prime my lid for the eyeshadows.
Love me, yeah. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Love me, love me.
I'm going to be using this palette, and I'm taking this pink shade.
Say you love me, baby, say you love me. I go hold you down if you say you.
I'm going to cut my crease with the same concealer.
But call me daddy, come spend this money if you say you want me. Some people not believe say.
I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer and this Cara glitter palette. I'm taking this pink shade. This one.
Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Please would you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Baby, won't you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby, me, baby. I just wanna show you love. Just wanna love you more. Hey, I just wanna.
Big Shot mascara.
I just wanna show you love.
I'm going to highlight my face with the Maybelline highlighter in Molten Gold.
Some people no believe say, people no believe say. Me I go feel love you like oh no no no. Me I no believe say, oh no no no. Me I go feel fall for you so hard, oh hard. Me a baby me I go hold you down. Shawty I go hold you down.
I'm taking my Joe Fix lashes in Face Mechanic. Very big lashes. Very big lashes.
Say you love me, baby, say you love me.
While I wait for my other lash to dry, I'm going to use my Forever Matte Lippy in the shade Marvel.
Kitty.
I'm going going to add some Victoria's Secret lip gloss. This is like empty. This is my trusty lip gloss.
Say you love me, baby, say you love me. I go hold you down if you say you want me. Say you love me, baby, say you love me. I go wear you crown if you say you want me. Some people